Listen and practice speaking skills.
Hey Emma, thanks for coming over. Grab yourself a drink and make yourself at home.
Thanks, Alex. Everything smells amazing. You've really outdone yourself.
Ah, thanks. I love firing up the grill and having friends over. It's the perfect way to spend a summer afternoon.
Definitely. There's something so special about gathering around the barbecue with good company and good food.
Absolutely. So, how's your week been?
It's been pretty hectic, to be honest. Work has been crazy busy, and I feel like I'm constantly running from one thing to the next.
I hear you. It seems like everyone's always on the go these days. That's why I love hosting these barbecues. It's a chance to slow down and enjoy the simple things in life.
I couldn't agree more. It's nice to take a break from the chaos and just relax with friends.
Exactly. Hey, did you try the potato salad? I made it from scratch.
I did, and it's delicious. You're quite the chef, Alex.
Thanks, I try my best. Hey, speaking of food, have you tried any new recipes lately?
Actually, I have. I recently discovered this amazing marinade for grilled chicken. It's a game changer.
Oh, I'd love to hear more about it. What's in the marinade?
It's a combination of olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, soy sauce, and a few secret herbs and spices. It's simple but packed with flavor.
That sounds incredible. I'll have to give it a try at our next barbecue.
Definitely. I'll share the recipe with you.
Thanks, Emma. So, any exciting plans for the weekend?
Not really. I'm hoping to catch up on some reading and maybe take a long walk in the park. What about you?
I'm thinking of going for a hike with some friends on Sunday. It should be a great way to unwind before the start of another busy week.
That sounds lovely. I always find being out in nature so refreshing.
Me too. Hey, do you want another burger? I've got plenty on the grill.
I'd love one, thanks.
So, Emma, what's the best part of summer for you?
Oh, that's a tough one. I think I'd have to say the long evenings spent outdoors with friends, just like this.
Couldn't agree more. Here's to more summer barbecues and good times ahead.
Cheers to that.
Hey Jack. Thanks for meeting me at our favorite cafe.
No problem, Lily. Always a pleasure to hang out with you, especially when coffee's involved.
Agreed. So, what's new with you?
Not much, just the usual grind. How about you?
Oh, same old, same old. But hey, at least we have this nice cafe to escape to.
Absolutely. I love the vibe here. So chill and cozy.
Yeah, it's like our little sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle of the city.
Exactly. Plus, the coffee here is top-notch.
Speaking of which, what are you going to order?
I think I'll go for my usual cappuccino. What about you?
I'm feeling adventurous today. Maybe I'll try that new matcha latte they have on the menu.
Nice choice. Let me know how it tastes.
So, Jack, have you seen any good movies lately?
Actually, I watched this really interesting documentary about space exploration. It was mind-blowing.
Oh, that sounds fascinating. I've always been intrigued by the mysteries of the universe.
Yeah, me too. It's amazing to think about how vast and mysterious it all is.
Definitely. Hey, did you hear about that new book club that's starting up in the neighborhood?
Yeah, I did. I was thinking about joining. Are you interested?
Absolutely. It would be so much fun to discuss books with other like-minded people.
Agreed. Plus, it's a great way to discover new authors and genres. You know, Lily, I'm really glad we decided to meet up today.
Me too, Jack. It's always the highlight of my week.
Same here. Hey, how about we make this a weekly tradition? Same time, same cafe.
I love that idea. Consider it a date.